Recruiters come back year after year to hire ORIE M.Eng students because they get great value out of our students. Hands down, end of story.
My name's David Rodriguez. I'm getting my master's in Operations Research and Information Engineering. I'm about to graduate. I'm moving out to Columbus, Ohio, and I'm going to be a data scientist for JP Chase.
ORIE M.Eng students, as a whole, do extremely well when it comes to the job search. We have the highest placement rates in the college.
The job that I landed was at Goldman Sachs. I'll be going back full-time in investment banking. There are a lot of my friends who do have job offers who have already accepted, like I have.
I successfully landed a full-time job in market risk modeling. Most of my classmates are really excited about the positions that they get. The reason is that most of us get positions in the area that we are actually interested in.